Paw Present, Unplugging. Hey, Mountaineer. Let's go on an adventure with Tyler the Turtle and Paw Present, where screens go click and nature goes, We'll laugh, play, unplug, and glow with shapes that bring balance to the now. Remember, by being present, you can shape your world. The glow before the glow. Beep, bloop, blink. Tyler's world was all screens. His turtle shell glowed like a TV. But Paw Present wagged and shouted, "Another glow is waiting!" Boom! Whish! Whoosh! Boom! Who's who? I'm Sweetbeat, a heart. Boom, boom. Brighter than any screen, beating real love into life. I'm Maslow, a triangle. Whoosh! Sharper than any cursor and stronger than any screen. I'm Wheeler, a circle. Whoosh! Rolling freer than Wi-Fi and round with joy. And I'm Boxette, a square. Steadier than a tablet, holding balance together. All together, we are Paw Present, glowing in the now. Click. The last screen went dark. No beep, no buzz, no glow. Tyler blinked. The room shimmered. The air sparkled. Shapes began to whisper. Boom! Whoosh! Whoosh! Om. Tyler whispered back. Something is happening. Outside! Barked Sweetbeat. And boom, boom! The forest came alive with hearts. Heart-leaf trees waving, loving, booming. Tyler gasped. My chest feels thumpy, alive. Maslow scratched a triangle in the sand. Inside, he wrote, mind, body, spirit. Let's balance all three, he shouted. They kicked with body, hi-ya! They puzzled with mind, click, clack. And they strummed guitars with spirit, twang. Tyler whished. My triangle feels strong. Wheeler rolled in laughing circles. Catch the soccer ball and spin the racket. Duck, duck, goose, y'all. Tyler ran. Tyler chased. Tyler spun. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. He tumbled into the grass, dizzy with joy. Boxette stacked pebbles into perfect squares. Time to slow, time to rest, she whispered. They read square books. They stretched into square yoga poses. Om. Tyler sighed. Peace feels steady. Tyler sat still for 3 minutes, reflecting on the glowing screens, reflecting on the glowing stars. He whispered, "Which glow feels better with you, time?" Tyler smiled. I know. Click went the screens. Ah, went the breeze. Boom, went Sweetbeat's heart. Whoosh, went Maslow's triangle. Whoosh, went Wheeler's circle. And Om, hummed Boxette's square. Together, they glowed in the now. Maslow connected with Tyler in the moment. Inhale, love. Exhale, strength. Inhale, harmony. And exhale, peace. Tyler's shell glowed with balance. He whispered, I am steady. I am here. The sun painted the sky with gold, and the breeze carried laughter through the trees. Paw Present and Tyler stretched, breathed, and whispered, the now is glowing. Hearts, triangles, circles, and squares. Paw Present and Tyler leapt together. Every shape has its magic, and together we glow. And they spun and tumbled until the night sky danced with shapes.
Thank you, Mountaineer,
barked Paw Present.
Thank you for being here right now.
Tyler waved his flipper. Unplug, breathe, glow. And Paw Present said, remember, by being present, you can shape your world. Thank you for joining us today. But more than that, thank you for being here, right now, Mountaineer. Not yesterday and not tomorrow. This moment. This breath. This now. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is the simplest. To pause. To breathe. To unplug. And I know you're listening to this on a screen. But right here and right now, let's practice what Tyler discovered. Let's unplug. Let's unwind. Let's be here. Now, 4 breaths, 1 for each friend. Keep it simple and keep it shapy. Inhale, love. Exhale, boom. Inhale, strong. Exhale, whoosh. Inhale, flow. Exhale, whoosh. Inhale, safe. Exhale, Om. Now imagine this. In front of you is a glowing screen. Bright. Buzzing. Busy. You reach out and click. It fades. Behind it, you see trees. You hear birds. You feel the breeze. You are outside. You are free. And you are here. Tyler the Turtle, you've unplugged. And when you unplug, you don't lose connection. You gain it. To your breath, to the shapes of love, strength, harmony, and peace, and to the now. Breathe in love, strength, harmony, peace. Breathe out your true self, steady and glowing. The heart goes boom, love alive. The triangle goes whoosh, strong inside. The circle goes whoosh, flowing free. And the square goes om, steady as can be. Goodbye, Mountaineer, and thank you for unplugging with us. And Paw Present says, remember, by being present, you can shape your world.